So are you interested in giving your child the best opportunity to do well with sports and performing activities? Let's go through some things to help you out. First of all, let's make these things fun. Kids who have fun are going to stick with their activities longer and even into adulthood. We want to start with a good foundation. I'm a big fan of gymnastics. Anything that teaches balance, motor control will help you no matter what activity you want to do later in life. I want to emphasize the importance of free play, having the kids go out and do things on their own, making decisions, changing things up. We need adults to be good role models. We want to make sure if we're exercising, our kids are seeing it and seeing that importance. As our kids get older, we want to have a variety of activities, what we call sport sampling, up to and including the start of puberty or growth. Those kids who do more activities have a higher chance of longer-term sport participation, higher level sport participation, and probably most importantly, continuing to exercise when they are adults. They will also have less risk of injury, less risk of missing out on sport, less risk of burnout. So we want to balance both organized activity and free play. So for example, do you know your child's age? That's an important number. If I've got a 14-year-old son at home, if he has more than 14 hours a week of organized activity, his injury rate goes up. So knowing your child's age can help dictate how much activity is safe. We also use the ratio of free play to organized sport. So if there's 2 hours of free play for every hour of organized sport, there's less chance of your child getting hurt. So at Active Kid MD, we want to build a team to support you and your young athlete now and in the future, and we thank you for that opportunity.